Tonight, Californians are responding to Arizona's Supreme Court ruling that upheld an 1864 ban on abortions. Now, Governor Gavin Newsom wants to make abortion services easier for women and providers. But many Californians say it's time to make the state pro-life. ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen shares their message and how some lawmakers are responding.
We just really want women to know that they have options, all kinds of options.
As the executive director of PCS Health in Placerville, it's important for Brooke Nave to have her organization be a part of the March for Life rally.
We're just supporting the whole movement here, trying to get our name out there to offer resources.
The message here today is life matters. And as you can see behind me, there are thousands of people here at this pro-life rally. And all of this comes just after Governor Gavin Newsom doubled down on his support of providers and women seeking abortion services.
Miss, I'm going to need you to step out of the vehicle. Take a pregnancy test.
This ad is Governor Newsom's latest set to air in Alabama. This comes after the Arizona Supreme Court decided to uphold the ban on abortion. On Monday, the governor responded by saying there will be legislation to make it easier for Arizona women to get an abortion in California.
It's already impacting the state. We've had a 17% increase since Dobbs of people accessing reproductive care in the state of California. It's already placed a burden on our healthcare system.
Adding there will be a proposal to offer abortion providers an easier way to get licensed in the state.
We create a licensing regime through for the medical board itself that allows these temporary licenses until the voters ultimately in Arizona can overturn, which I imagine they will.
But pro-life advocates say they're fighting back.
We're working with legislators in states across the country with our attorneys testifying to support pushing the envelope further to protect the preborn.
And for Nave, she says her organization will remain a resource for all women.
Regardless of the laws, the truth is it is their choice, a woman's choice, whether it's legal or not in their state.
All right, let's bring in Jeannie, who has been following this today. We know that the governor is expected to meet with lawmakers this week about this legislation. He's supposed to meet with the Women's Caucus. You did speak with the senator on that caucus today. Was she able to give you any more insight?
Well, Alex, I spoke with Senator Angelique Ashby today, and while she couldn't say much today, she did say that if California is able to speed up the process to license abortion providers in Arizona, it would help and it'd be well worth our time if women here are able to have autonomy of their bodies.
All right, and I also want to mention that Arizona law is currently making its way through legal battles. So the Arizona Attorney General says that the earliest this ban can take effect is on June 8th. So we'll continue to follow this.